Good morning, Trojans. Hope everybody had a great weekend and we're ready to attack this week. We're getting towards the end of the year. This is the first week of the fourth quarter. Looking back at last week, our Monday mission was to use your words wisely. I think that's something that needs to be emphasized almost daily with everybody. Is just how the power of our words has the impact on other people, and they can have that impact either positively or negatively. We need to choose to be more positive in how our words impact people. Try to be uplifting with what we're doing with others instead of rather than being a downer. I think it's important that we try to exist here as a family and that we always have each other's back as we move through each day. Congratulations to our students of the week last week. Our winners were Destry Jorgensen, Jesse Mowry, and Emery Tomlin. Congratulations to those students, and we're looking forward to another batch of students of the week this week. This week, as part of our No Negativity Month, is we're going to have a positivity challenge. This is a 5-day challenge to create a positive climate. Much like negativity, positivity can have an infectious effect on our environment and try to make our school a better place to be for everybody. So in order to be successful in this positivity challenge, we just can't have a handful of people doing it. We got to have everybody on board, everybody involved in doing the right thing. So for what we're going to do with this positivity challenge, day one, we're going to focus on the goal of eating lunch with somebody you don't normally do and then having a conversation with that person. So on Monday, that's going to be our focus, is eating lunch with someone and having a conversation with them. And day two, Tuesday, our focus is going to be to give a genuine compliment to 3 different people. Day 3, Wednesday, is a random acts of kindness day, so doing something nice for someone else. Day 4, Thursday, making eye contact and smiling with everyone that you come in contact during the day. So if you're walking by someone in the hallway, look at them, say hello, give them a smile, be that positive uplift in their day. And then on Friday, day 5, giving somebody a phone call that you haven't talked to in a while and then having a conversation, whether that be your grandma, your grandpa, your aunt, your uncle, a cousin, somebody you haven't seen for quite some time. A friend that you've had for a long time that you haven't seen in a while. Give that person a call, not during the school day necessarily, when you get home or sometime over the weekend. So make that your focus and just imagine how great a place, your home, your school, your community, your state, your country could be if everybody was just focusing on the positive things in life rather than always steering towards the negative. As I just said, March's Trojan Way focus is to be not negative. So this week we have on Trojan Way Tuesday. We're going to have a video about being positive. There's 2 separate videos the teachers can show. One's a little bit more steered towards our middle school, high school kids, and then the other one's maybe focused more on elementary and middle school kids as well. So I think it's going to be, both those videos are very good. It should be something that could allow you to ponder and think about what you need to do to be a more positive Trojan on a daily basis. So hope everybody has a great week, and go Trojans.